Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your carrier air conditioner if it is not cooling properly or if it is displaying any kind of errors. So first of all, what you need to do is you just have to simply turn off your carrier AC using the remote or the power button. After doing so, you just have to simply leave the unit powered off for about 5 minutes to 10 minutes. This allows the control board to fully reset and it will also help clearing many of the temporary errors. After this time duration, you just have to turn the circuit breaker back on and then you just have to reconnect the power supply. Now, some of the carrier, window and the portable air conditioners have a reset button on the power cord plug. So if your model has one, you can also press that particular reset button until it clicks and then you can just simply turn the unit back on. Afterwards, with the help of its remote, you just have to set the mode to the cool and lower the temperature below the current room temperature. Just wait a few minutes to confirm the unit starts cooling normally. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.